Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. So, my mom took me to Walmart. Actually, we went to Walmart, me and her, and I got $50 from my grandma for my birthday, which is last month. And Merry Christmas, as you can see, with my Christmas hat. And I bought some stuff, Monster Jam. You can see right here. Don't ask. Yes, I'm 12 and I love Monster Jam. Don't ask. I got a JCB Diggatron, Gravedigger, this Gravedigger, and Thunder Wars, and three of these. I have motorcycles. So yeah, and I'm gonna be unboxing all of them. I already unboxed the JCB Diggatron. So let's set them up and let's unbox them and set them up. Next one, Gravedigger 30th anniversary. I'm surprised they still sell these, even though he's like 45, 49 years old. Gravedigger's been around for a long time. He was created in 1982. My dad was 2 years old at the time when Gravedigger was created. When Gravedigger was born in 1982, my dad was 2 years old. And I'm looking at myself in the camera. And tell me what I look like when I'm looking at the camera. I'm just looking until it hits 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, comment what I look like. And I do got the bag for the trash. And here we go. Dude, it's not even open. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Put it to the side. Now this Gravedigger, I don't know why they made him like that. And also she let me get some Takis, which I'm gonna open and find out. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open the bag of Takis. I'm hungry. Very good. Very good Takis. Very good Takis. Very good Takis. Very good. Very good, very good. I literally just did boom and my finger went in. So I do have the Gravedigger unboxed. I'm gonna lay it down, put this in the bag. Also, if you want to know, I build the desk I'm filming on. I build Legos on here, and I do have Bigfoot, the original, and I have Max D. I took the tires off the Max D. I don't know why. I just want to. And yeah, and time to unbox the Thunder Wars. I'm still looking for the Classroom Crusher, Scooby Doo. And last time I went to Walmart, they had Scooby Doo, but I couldn't get it. It's not because my mom said no. It's because I didn't have any money. And yeah, so I'm almost done. Yeah, so watch this. Dude, my finger went boom. What the heck? Oh, I was painting earlier, my finger went in and went in, and went in like boom, and went like this, and here she gave me paint, and it was painful to me. And comment down below what video I should do next, and if you're a Monster Jam fan, comment down below. And yeah, and if you're a Monster Jam fan, please comment your favorite truck. Mine's Gravedigger. And yeah, I got all of them unboxed. Yeah. So now it's time to set all of these up. So let's start with the JCB Diggatron. And I'm gonna start with the one I unboxed last. I'm gonna start with the one I unboxed last. And yeah, and yes, I am a Green Bay Packers fan. If you see that from my last video, if you saw this, I'm a Packers fan. I wanted to get a Packers hat with a Santa Claus hat with the Packers. I wonder what NFL team Santa Claus is a fan of. And if he's a fan of the Packers, yay! And if he's not, it's okay. My desk is messy from all those. So here's the Thunder Wars. So I'm starting with the one I'm setting up is the one I unboxed last. And yeah. And my dad texted me. He just texted me. And I'm just trying to get. And how do I set this up? I'm like, what the? How do I set it up? Ooh. Dude, this dude for a small motorcycle, he got weight. He got weight on it. And dude, I don't know why they had to make Gravedigger like this. Dude, just keep him like with the original design. And if you want, and comment down below if you like rap music. My favorite rapper is Lil Wayne. No. Okay. I set up the Thunder Wars Gravedigger. And now for the 30th anniversary Gravedigger, it just comes with the truck. So I might just start with the JCB Diggatron. Ooh, spooky. And Merry Christmas, as I said at the beginning of the video. And I got some Coca-Cola. I drank it in the car. The reason I'm sticking my tongue out like this is to see if my tongue's blue. Coca-Cola just hits different around Christmas time. And here is the JCB Diggatron. I like the design on this. I like the design on this. I don't know what this is for. I'm just gonna set it up. Dude, this bike is stuck. Oh, never mind. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I just got this. I got the Diggatron. Okay, so this space is small. And yeah, and I got the JCB Diggatron set up. And here we go for the Gravedigger 30th anniversary. And if you haven't never been to Monster Jam, you should go, because in Rule 1 for Monster Jam, you need headphones. For kids like under 5 or something, you need headphones, because for them it's gonna be loud. They sell some at Monster Jam hosted at Arlington AT&T. They sell some stuff over there. And yeah, and here's the 30th anniversary. Some down right here. And yeah, so here is the trucks, Thunder Wars, motorcycle, Gravedigger, the motorcycle, the Gravedigger 30th anniversary, JCB Diggatron, the motorcycle, and yeah, the motorcycles, the dirt bikes. Sorry for saying motorcycle, and yeah, and for what else you need for Monster Jam, headphones. And if you're not a Monster Jam fan, you say, what are we gonna see? You're not a Monster Jam fan. Monster Jam fans know what they're gonna see, so don't ask that question for Monster Jam fans. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Goodbye, people.